whichever you make, of course with authentic proof, whatever is available with the state. This package, which was announced by the President of Pakistan, was well taken by our people from Balochistan and by the other civil societies, other factions of the society, and obviously this was a right way to a right roadmap which has been prepared by the federal government to address the issues of our Balochi brothers and sisters. Sir, I'm just giving me
speech painter.
I will come at sir. Sir, I'll come everything. I will explain.
We are not asking for that.
Sir, I'll explain everything. If I have heard you for 2 days, give me only half an hour. Thank you.
Please continue.
Mr. Chairman, if my friend is not interested to hear all we done, fine. I will cross over respecting your feeling, my dear sir. But allow me to say.
Marisa, please.
Allow me to say. पहले मेरी एक अर्ज होगी, मैं कह रहा हूं कि I will give the proofs to everything I brought.
आपने इसको क्यों वापस किए? मेरे भाई को कत्ल किया है, में FIR है, आप
मेरी अभी देखें, ये पर्सनल डिस्प्यूट है.
देखिए, मरी साहब प्लीज.
Okay, now coming back to
मरी साहब जरा सुन लीजिए आप.
Now coming back to
मरी साहब प्लीज. मरी साहब प्लीज बैठ जाए प्लीज. देखिए,
coming back to law.
आप उसको सुने उनका
Coming back
प्लीज सुनने दें.
I will come back to you.
सबर से, जमहूरियत यही है. जमहूरियत यही है. मरी साहब जमहूरियत.
Now coming back to sir, the demand of the police area to be area.
प्लीज. नहीं, ठीक है, आप जरा सुन लें उनको. आप उनको सुन लें.
Okay.
आप सुन लें उनको.
Now the demand.
आप सुन लें.
There is a demand of area and B area.
ठीक,
वो भी बात कर रहे हैं.
आप सुने तो सही उनको.
My honorable brother, पहले मेरी बात तो सुन लें. मैंने आपकी कल सुनी थी सारी. Anyway, demand of converting area to B area. The government allocated rupees 7 billion to get the Balochistan territory into police control. Being the levies, sir, please listen to me. I just request you, humbly request you, please give me a few minutes to speak. जी मैं अभी पूछने ही आया हूँ ना. मैं अभी पूछने आया हूँ.
मरी साहब प्लीज सुन लीजिए. मरी साहब प्लीज सुन लीजिए.
Now coming back to
आप सुन लीजिए. ठीक, सुन ली आपकी बात.
आपको लाते हैं, आप हल करें हमारे साथ. मैं आने लगा हूँ, बात तो सुने पूरी. No, sir, I request to be let me
सुने तो सही
speak.
बात को.
There is some decorum. I think I have the right to speak. Let me give me my point of view, sir.
अच्छा,
Now the area.
बैठ तो जाए आप.
Now coming on to the other.
जी, स्पीच सुन लीजिए राजा साहब, उसके बाद आपके
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर इसलिए है.
जी
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर इसलिए है.
बोल सकते. Sir, best as far my limited knowledge goes, it should not be point of order. I want uninterrupted time. Otherwise, just I hold my
राजा साहब
speech.
प्लीज.
No.
I want
Please, speech के अंदर
uninterrupted
में.
time. Please,
Please,
this is my right.
चेयरमैन,
जी
The area.
प्रॉब्लम पैदा हुई है,
जी
वो इस वजह से हुई है that the minister is not following the rules.
No, well, let me
The
tell you.
procedure is एक second.
We have followed the rules.
No,
Please, sir.
please.
We have followed the rules.
The wrong way in which the minister is addressing the house, he should not address the members directly.
Okay, I
He
take
is asking those people to give him undivided attention. Why should he do it? It is the prerogative of the chair.
You are right.
He should address the chair.
आप
The moment he addresses the members, we address him back. He doesn't know the procedure.
Thank you राजा साहब.
Thank you, Raja Sahab, for correcting me, and I'll follow that. Thank you. Mr. Chairman, there are two areas, A and B. the police control and the previous control of the levies, tahsildars, which is Sardari system. There was 7 billion rupees which were allocated, and so far 5.1 billion rupees have already been spent on that. The demand of the friends from Balochistan is to get it back to the Sardari system, which is being actively considered, and hopefully some results will come. Now, what are the issues which have been raised by our friends from Balochistan? Number one, no military operation to be done in Balochistan. I have already confirmed there is no military operation as we speak. Second, release of all political prisoners. And release of political prisoners has already been done. There are 36 political prisoners, but they are involved in some type of murder crimes. That is being examined, and as we speak, there is a committee which has been formed, and it is proceeding further into the action. Then the employment opportunities. Obviously, there is a very much being demanded that the people from Balochistan, they are not being given a kind of equal rights in the federal service and other services of Pakistan. That is also being actively considered. NFC award. There is a demand that let it be according to the area, not by the population. That is also being considered. And the finalization of rehabilitation of the displaced people from Balochistan. That is also being considered. And then we come to the issue of law and order. Mr. Chairman, today we have to decide, are we talking of law and order? Are we talking of insurgency? I'll give you the brief background as to what is happening in Balochistan today. As you're aware of the fact that Balochistan is under same kind of situation for the last 7 years. During the previous regime, obviously, the Shahadat of Nawab Akbar Bugti did bring lot of more problems in the country and in the province. Coming on to BLA, BLFU, and all these organizations which emerged.
विदा अपना नैयब बुखारी साहब, आप जरा प्लीज बैठे ना, क्या कहते हैं,
मैं बड़े अदब से उनसे गुजारिश करूंगा. यू कैनॉट इंटरेक्ट विद द पीपल सिटिंग इन द गैलरी. बुखारी साहब, नहीं, मेरी गुजारिश है, फिर भी नहीं आप कर सकते अगर उसको बैठा हुआ है. उनको कोई बाहर से आप आए, ये कोई तरीका नहीं है. अगर आप ये करेंगे तो फिर तो सारा हाउस ये करेगा. नो इवन मेंबर क्या है, चेयरमैन भी बैठा, यू कैनॉट गो एंड इंटरेक्ट अक्रॉस द डिवाइस.
Mr. Chairman, my request is that I have humbly requested undivided attention from your good self. And in small things, I hope I'm not interrupted.
Yes, please carry on.
Let my flow to continue, Mr. Chairman. Let me come up to BLA. Let me remind you, Afghan-Soviet-Russian war, we fought against, and Pakistan played a role. Russia did not forget it. Afghanistan, what's happening today, it's not a secret. How much India has been friendly with us, that is also not a secret. BLA was actually raised by Soviet Union's funding and backed by India. It remained dormant for some time, which resurfaced after the Shahadat of Nawab Akbar Bugti. There are about 1,000 students from Balochistan who got training from Russia, and they are very much present in Balochistan.
Sir, I am sorry. I'm very sorry.
Please, I need my interaction. You please go ahead. At this point of time, I would like to tell you the hostile agencies which are operating in Balochistan. Well,
पढ़ने गए थे they are MA, PhD.
Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, I need to explain to the world